is GUAN, matrix number is 2069874. In this video, I would like to show technique of stripping for single isolated colonies, which is 4-way strip plate technique, step by step. The materials that needed to carry out the technique, but due to lack of material, use other materials to substitute during this video to explain the principle behind this technique. The environment should be near Bunsen burner to reduce the chance getting contaminated by ambient microorganisms. First, flame the inoculating loop until red hot to completely sterilize it. Let the inoculating loop cool down for around 10 to 15 seconds by using the same hand. Open the cap of the bottle of desired mixed culture to be isolated. Flame the neck of the bottle. Dip the loop into desired mixed culture to get a loop full of bacteria. Flame the neck of the bottle again. Close the cap. Open the cover of the agar plate, just slightly open, so it can reduce the chance of getting contaminated. After that, place the loop full of the culture just now on the agar surface in area 1. Drag it few times. Reflame the loop until red hot and cool down the loop. Turn the petri dish in 90 degrees. And then touch the loop to the corner of the culture in area 1 and drag few times across the agar in area 2. Remember that the loop should not touch the area 1 again. Repeat again to area 3. Reflame and cool down the loop. Turn the petri dish 90 degrees. Touch the corner of area 2 and drag a few times across area 3. Lastly, without flaming the loop, turn again the dish 90 degrees. Then drag the culture from a corner of area 3 to 4 with a wider strip. Flaming the loop again to completely sterilize. Along the step, we can know that the 4-way strip plate technique is a rapid qualitative isolation method. For each time the culture dragged from area to another area and flaming the loop, is actually reduce the population size and dilute it until enough to separate an individual cell to get a single isolated colonies. Extra information: all the plates should be incubated in inverted position so that the water droplet do not interrupt the growth when the water vapor condense. And that pretty much about stripping for single isolated colonies. Thank you. Hey, wait. Before you incubate your plate, please remember label it or else you confuse. That's it.